Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm proud to present this 2006 Mazda 6, and this is going to be full in-depth tour of the Mazda 6. We'll start up, show the engine, go on some performance details, show you a bunch of interesting features in the exterior as well as the interior. And so, here's the key. Let's start the engine, let it run for a while. And also this car comes equipped with alarm, with remote start, as you can see. Basically lock and unlock, rain guards, very light doors, very wide opening, cloth seats, aftermarket seat covers, as you can see. This car has 6 airbags. Six-speed manual. And this particular has 92,581 kilometers in it. 3-spoke design, multifunctional full leather wrapped steering wheel, and your multifunction controls side to side. Very fluid, comes equipped with hydraulic assist power steering companion. Very nice, manual tilt and telescopic. To adjust, use this lever right there. Let's turn on the headlight, front rear fog light, beam, as well as headlights. Alpha windows in this car are fully automatic in both direction, up and down, and rear, pulse. And right now let's open the hood and take a good look at the exterior of this car. Storage for the driver, and right there, turn off the electronic stability program, dynamic stability control, panel dim, and hide the headlights. And right now let's take a good look at the exterior of this car. Rear defrosting glass, and here's the antenna for the audio system. Third brake light, gorgeous tail lights, license plate lights, dual exhaust, and this car does have rear parking assist. Beautiful factory 10-spoke, 15-inch alloy wheels, tires measuring 195/65, 4-wheel disc brakes, Continental tires, and flaps. Beautiful paint finish. Two cylinder gears on front fenders. Halogen projector headlamps, headlight washers, chrome accent grille,
This car has inline 4, 16-valve, dual head cam with variable valve timing, 2-liter normally aspirated engine. It produces 147 horsepower, maximum speed of 210 km per hour. 0-6 time is 9.7 seconds. Combined fuel consumption for this car is around 7.5 liter per 100 km. The car is front-wheel drive. The fuel tank is around 64 liters. Double wishbone suspension up front and multi-link suspension out back.
Very aggressive front, beautiful body lines, And right now guys, with a good look at the exterior, let's take a good look at the interior portion, the most interesting part. Two-tone door panels, also padded, soft leather wrap armrest, tire pressure, door lights, storage, speaker, fake wood trim, and of course your power mirrors. They also here. Rest of your power windows, power window lock. Driver seat has manual adjustment, seat height, recline right here, lumbar support right there, and sliding. Seats are quite comfortable. Adjustable headrests and seat belts. Also wood trim. And right now guys, let's see what kind of noise this engine produces. Check engine light is on. By the way, very clear gauges, very easy to read. Trip A and Trip B, light indicator controls, and here's your intermittent body controls. Overall, good quality and all the materials are pretty good. You can find soft touch plastic right here and hot touch right there. Aircraft inspired bands, storage up top, aftermarket Pioneer audio system, clock adjustment, your information, range, average speed, current fuel economy, average fuel economy, outside temperature, 6 speakers plus a subwoofer, single zone fully automatic climate control right here. Of course, your fan speed control, your different modes, bass, can adjust bass. It's quite easy. Treble, beta, and balance. Very nice system. And once again, fan speed control off. Front rear defrost, your different modes, temperature, one touch automatic, recycle and vent, and of course air conditioning, light and ashtray, 6-speed manual transmission, leather wrap, chrome accent on the top, very light shifter, and also very light clutch. And reverse. Very nice shifter. 2 cup holders. And of course your e-brake, leather wrap, 2-tier center console, padded, very good size storage, cup holder, 1-stage heated seats for the driver and of course for the passenger. Quite nice, soft, manually dim rear view mirror. Of course your map lights, card holder, sun visors, vent mirror with illumination, overall, good visibility, build quality, and all the materials are pretty good. And of course, on the steering wheel, you can find your audio controls. You can raise and lower the volume, select between different track, or select between different station, your different modes, and mute. Let's grab the key and continue restore. Fuel cap release. Then here's your fuel cap. Also very wide opening doors, child safety locks, same two-tone door panels, also wood trim handle. Back seats easy to fold, 60/40 split, and of course the back seats has ISOFIX system, adjustable headrests, quite easy to get in and out. Quad hug, side curtain airbags, of course your illumination. And I believe this car does have central armrest. Right now it's hidden. Very sharp interior. And right now, let's check the rest of the vehicle, shall we? Pioneer aftermarket subwoofer, illumination, and to fold down rear seats, pull this levers right here, quite easy, and down here you find your full-size spare tire. Very good sized trunk. I apologize for this mess. Very convenient handle. By the way, very good back visibility. And you can find the same manual adjustment for the passenger seat minus seat height, recline and sliding. Lockable glove compartment, very good size, illuminated, and here's your manuals, Mazda 6 and Mazda 6 MPS. It's all Russian specification. TikTok. Well guys, hope you enjoy my in-depth look at this 2006 Mazda 6. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. We should catch me next time, despite where it came from. Thanks for watching and take care guys.